Hello, I am Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today, just the usual reading, unboxing, but I want to start out with reading. So let's just do this real quick here. This is May 20th, Deep Change. Today I accept that recovery has changed my baseline of experience. When I release trauma, terror, and rage, they are really gone. I used to have those emotions on top, and they could surface and apply themselves to any situation. Psychodramatically and therapeutically, I have blown them out of my system. And through sharing, my pain has been lifted. I need no longer carry inside of me what is gone. I can operate from a different place. It really is possible to live my life without all that baggage. It has been an immense amount of work, but it has been more than worth it. I'm enjoying my freedom from the past that had me in its grip. I'm operating differently today. To remain young, one must change. The perpetual campus hero is not a young man, but an old boy. Alexander Chase. That just blew me away. Deep change. I'm going to read this one more time. Today I accept that recovery has changed my baseline of experience. When I release trauma, terror, and rage, they are really gone. I used to have those emotions on top, and they could surface and apply themselves to any situation. I have blown them out of my system, and through sharing, my pain has been lifted. I need no longer carry inside of me what is gone. I can operate from a different place. It really is possible to live my life without all that baggage. It has been an immense amount of work, been more than worth it. I'm enjoying my freedom from the past that had me in its grip. I'm operating differently today. That was nuts. Yeah, that's deep change. That's exactly what it is. I used to feel all of that. Exactly what they said, trauma, terror, and rage. It used to always be right up here, and one little thing could just make me erupt, and just anything and everything could come out at any point in time. And when it came out, it came out. And now I feel like I have more of a grip on that. I feel like I have more of a balance. Like, yeah, it's still there, but I don't need to let it weigh me down, by me sharing and by me talking about things and by me constantly working on bettering myself, even through just talking to someone that passes through me hard, even if I see someone on a road that's on a street having a hard time, and I end up talking to them, and that reading was meant for me today, for sure. It's a beautiful reading. I love when it happens, and yeah, I am enjoying my freedom from the past that had me in its grip. That is pretty cool. Pretty dang cool. The past did have me in its grips, and that's for real. For real, for sure. Yeah. I loved it. That was an awesome reading, man. Alright. So, I'm going to check out this one first. Of course, you guys know I'm very impatient. Very seldom, I'll say. Very seldom will you get me opening one up with you guys. I like to peek. I'm a peeker, right? I don't have patience. I'm sorry. So, doesn't look like we have a product thing or whatever. Get That Glow must be the theme. Save the date 5/21. You get to choose a product. It says 9 a.m. on the 2nd of each month. Add-ons closes on the 3rd. $3 is the price of a deluxe sample. You can get a full size for $12 and $18. Number of products you can add on is 8. The cost of shipping is free. And yeah, so that's for add-ons or whatever. And then they give you little things on the inside, highlighting powder, liquids, cream, tips or whatever. What, Karn? Oh my goodness sakes, she's doing push-ups. Wow. Alright, so anyway, first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. It says Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. pH balance, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing. Wash your hands and face. Apply thin layer to your face. Leave the serum on during day or night. Oh, so there's a serum, just serum, I suppose. Huh. I like when my serums don't come with a scent because added scent, like you want skincare to be healthy, right? Well, added scent in your skincare is not good. Okay, so next thing I see is this Galactic Skin Glow Duo. It's a pretty one. But there's no mirror on this one. My other one has a mirror. These things are really beautiful. It's a Skin Glow Sunset. Sunset. There's the Skin Glow. Isn't that pretty? Skin Glow. It feels like a balm. Like a balm, yeah. I love a glowy, glossy type of a look where you can see your skin, all that good stuff. The gloss balm, definitely gonna play more of those. I love the put that down. Okay, next thing I see is the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. Little bitty palette by Colored Rain. I hear a lot of good things about Colored Rain, so there's the little Colored Rain palette. Cute little vibe, huh? They're ever cute. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this in my crease real quick here. I want to try some of this. This one right here. So I have something on my eyes. Man, I really like that color. Like it's like a chocolate gray. I don't know. I just really like that that color. Do I know why? No. What? So, let me try some of this stuff here. Mama, I.
Yeah.
You like my eyes?
Yeah, I.
Oh, thank you, baby. You're so precious.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so sweet. Okay, so anyway, I have two things left. I have this from Wonder Beauty Clear. Oh, cool. I think this is the brow stuff. Let's check it out. In clear, look at that cute little wand. That's pretty cool. I don't normally use clear brow gels, but because I like to use my tinted ones. I like a darker one for the back, and I like a lighter one for the front. I like this wand. It's really cute. Kind of helps push your hairs up a smidge, I guess. There's that brow gel. See, the thing with the clear is, you know, when you use it, it's gonna get your brow gel dirty anyway, because it gets the wand dirty and you're putting the wand in the clear gel, you know. So I don't know about clear brow gel. Okay, so then the last thing I got in my Ipsy is by Tarte. It's called the Tardiest Lip Paint in Home Slice. Oh, that's a pretty color. It just looks weird together. I don't like it. Sticky too. Oh, and in the bag for the month is this cute little bag. Oh, for cute. Look at the inside. Ever cute. And it's all decked out on the inside too. Love it. Love the bag. Let's just dig into this Boxycharm. Mother Nature. And I always have the pricing on the back here, so just jump in. Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, and I got these, and I've been using it, and I have like that much left. However, that much is in here, you know, about that much left I have. And they're freaking awesome. They're amazing. They feel so good. I can feel the pads resurfacing my face. I swear, it's awesome. My old man has even been using them. But yeah, I love them. They are. I want to get another backup of these. They're that good. So those are the resurfacing pads. MSRP is $59 for those. And then we have Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. And MSRP is $18 for that. I haven't tried this yet. But to be honest, I haven't really wore makeup for, you know, what on earth? Micellar Magic, what do you... It says, Ultimate Lazy Girl Hack. Micellar Water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup excess oil impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. It's a mess-free, no-rinse cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturated cotton pad, apply to skin. Okay, you use a cotton pad with that. Okay. I was wondering why they had that little tub on the top there for that. So micellar cleansing water. So pretty much just a cleanser. And I have Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. $35. This says versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks all day, all night. Creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends with ease, providing true color coverage in a single stroke. MSRP is $35 for the Studio Makeup. There is the palette. I've heard some people do not like this palette, like at all. And I've heard some people have had fingerprints in theirs, which I do as well. Looks like a fingerprint there. Smudge there, and there. Smells good, smells like chocolate, but the colors are pretty dim, pretty neutral. Almost like that palette I got in the Ipsy. Okay, so that was $35. And then we have a Tristique Cover and Concealer Crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. Ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. MSRP is $24 for this. It's a pretty cool concept. Conceal and Perfect. Conceal, Cover, Correct Crayon in porcelain. Oh, and then there's a little blending sponge right there. It's alright, man. Play with it some more. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like the, I like it. Yeah, it's a pretty cool concept too. And then we have Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. A luxurious cream lipstick that sides on with one ease and stays comfortable all day. Lipstick has satin finish. It covers with one application. Rich in color and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. So $21 for this Appeal. Looks really pretty. And it's in fancy. Yeah, that's everything for today. I'm going to chill out with my kids and get this edited. But I'd really like you guys to let me know what you think of that reading. It really meant a lot to me. I thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you think of the reading. And you guys just stay safe out there, please. Keep everyone in your prayers. You know, pray for everyone. There's a lot of people out there who need it. And if we don't pray for them, who will, you know? So yeah, just continue with the prayer. Have a blessed rest of your day. Bye.